How to fix Windows not uploading pictures to websites. Here are some tips that may help fix Windows not uploading pictures to websites. 1. Check if some installed browser extension is the troublemaker. 2. Back up your browser profile, reset your web browser. 3. Try using a different browser/computer. 4. Clear the browser caches. 5. Check out your picture folder and see if there's any corrupt items. 6. Scan your system via the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 7. Back up your personal data, do a clean install of Windows. Then get your computer fully patched. Plan B, do a system recovery back to the time before upload problem started. 8. Try copying a single file and save it in a different location, then upload that file. Moreover, check if you have permissions to the folder to which you are importing your file. Press Windows key and X on your keyboard. Click on Command Prompt, Admin. At the command prompt, type tacon/f folder name/r/dy and then press Enter. Hint, replace folder name with the path of the folder. Then, type icicles folder name/grant administrators f/t and hit Enter. Hint, replace folder name with the path of the folder. 9. Go to the library. Folder Pictures, right-click, choose Properties, and click Restore Default.